Il-boxer Scott Dixon ħabbar li se jirtira mill-isport wara li skontu numru ta' persuni ikkuntattjaw lill-organizzaturi tal-attivitajiet tal-boxing f'pajjiżna iwissuhom biex ma jinkludux lil Scott fl-attivitajiet tagħhom.
Nobody wants to put me on any of the shows on the island. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's absolute propaganda. Basically, they've been contacted by people we don't know, but along the lines of they've received phone calls saying, if you promote Scott Dixon, we'll give you the same problems. I mean, this is ridiculous. All I'm trying to do is be a fighter. And that is my profession, my chosen profession. And every door is closing, bit by bit. I'm really depressed, I'm really low, I don't know what I can do.
Scott jgħid li dan waslu biex jieħu din id-deċiżjoni li jtem ħessrem il-karriera tiegħu.
I've been left with no option but to retire. Nobody wants to take a chance on me, if you like, or promote me. And for why? I don't know what I've done. This is ridiculous. All I've done was try to improve the quality of life through boxing on the island. And basically, I've just been shut out.
L-istorja bdiet wara li skont l-organizzaturi attività li kellha ssir fl-Arena tal-Indipendenza fil-Furjana tħassret minkejja li l-Pulizija kienet ħarġet il-permessi kollha. L-organizzatur Ebner Qabela jgħid li hu ġie kkuntattjat mill-Assa tal-Furjana mill-istess supretendent li ħarġet il-permessi u ġie ordnat jirritorna l-permessi inkella jiġi arrestat. L-organizzaturi qalu wkoll il-Pulizija talbet li l-Arena titgħattab tinda li ma jinbieħx alkohol li madwar 700 siġġu jintrabtu mal-art minkejja il-post u ground chat tal-futbol u dan kollu sija biss qabel. L-organizzaturi ntalbu wkoll il-kondotti tal-boxers. Il-boxer Scott Dixon jisħaq li dan hu każ ta' korruzzjoni li ġara fuq ordnijiet ta' xi ħadd fil-poter li għandu vendetta personali kontrih.
It was just one hurdle after the other. When one door opened, it would immediately be closed on a face again. So no matter what we were doing that day, it just wasn't going to happen. So obviously came from a higher power, which it's just one thing after the other for me. Now, please bear in mind that I was just a coordinator. So why does everybody have to suffer because somebody has a personal vendetta against me? It's just not fair. What world do we live in? What days do we live in?
Anke Ebner u tal-istess fema.
Jien naħseb li kien hemm xi ħaġa, għax ġast ma rridux nagħmlu.
Skont l-organizzaturi dan wassal biex huma tilfu bejn 10,000 u 20,000 euro u kienu qed jikkonsidraw li jfittxu lill-pulizija għad-danni.